So I was going to do a voiceover, right? But y'all, because I feel so bad. Let me tell y'all why I feel so bad. Okay. I feel bad because I did this style. When did I finish it? I think I finished it on April 8th or April 9th, right? Today is May 3rd. Okay, so yes, I feel bad that it took that long to get you guys a video out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and talk a little bit right here. Y'all doing all right? Are y'all doing okay? Let's check in the comments. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are holding up right now while we are staying at home as much as we can. Also, thank you to everyone who is working during this quarantine, essential workers, even workers who are working at home, no matter what your job is. Thank you for working during these times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If no one else has said it, thank you. I appreciate it. So in this video, I'm just going to be on my mini braids, which are these right here. This is how they are holding up so far. Y'all know I can't get too close to the camera, right? No. Listen, okay, I'll do another updated video and I'll get all up in here, updated everything, okay? But this video right here is specifically just clips of me doing the braid. But so I hope you guys enjoy it. Right now I needed to do a style that I can maintain during these times. I don't want to keep doing my hair. I do my own hair, but that doesn't mean I want to keep doing it. I really don't. And like I said, I live in Florida. It's too hot to keep doing my hair, and it's humid. You know, the styles ain't gonna last long. I love box braids. If any of y'all who are watching me know me, or y'all family, y'all know I love box braids. But I didn't want, you know, to add hair because it's too hot. So this is what I came up with, and y'all, I am loving it, okay? But I cannot get into all the details on this video, y'all, because I have to make that a whole separate video. And in that video, that's going to be the specs, how long did it take, will I be keeping it or not, the size. Man, when I tell y'all I was struggling so hard right here, I mean, like, my arms was hurting so bad. So bad. If y'all do your own hair, y'all know what I'm talking about. Arms just hurting like I just did a whole arm workout at the gym at LA Fitness or something. Like, no. and right here I was just trying to show you guys that I did not braid all the way down to the ends. When I tell y'all I got halfway done and still kept rethinking, should I just take it down and stop here and just do something else? Because them was small, okay? They are small.